Good morning, students. In previous class, we learned about the sentence and its definition. It is the progressive class of sentence. Today's class, we study about, about in previous class definition group of words is called a sentence. And next point is parts of the sentence. As in previous class, we studied subject and predicates are the two parts of the sentence. Main point of the today's video is what is the subject. How can I identify the subject in the group of words? The definition of the subject. The subject is that part of the sentence about which something is said in the sentence. In the sentence, what is said about this word is called a sentence. Second part, so predicate. What is the predicate? Predicate is the that part of the sentence which is said about the subject. About the subject, what is the description in the sentence, that is called predicate. We understand according to the example. We take an example. Anu goes to school. Anu goes to school. First point, we study about the definition of subject. Subject is that part of the sentence which something is said in the sentence. Goes to school. Who goes to school? Question is who goes to school? The answer of this question is Anu. That means Anu is the subject in the group of words in this sentence. Second point, predicate. We study about the definition. The predicate is the that part of the sentence which is said about the subject. Which is said about the subject. Anu goes to school. Where where goes? The answer of this question goes to school. Who? Anu. Where Anu goes? Anu goes to school. In this sentence, goes to school is predicate, and one sentence part just like an imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, it is the remember point for all students. In imperative sentence, you always the subject and it is hide because you is always the subject. No other alternative for the subject in imperative sentence. So in today's video, we study about the sentence. In previous video about the sentence definition. And this video is parts of sentence, two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. About the subject definition you see on the board, and after that we study about the predicate. According to the example, Anu goes to school, we study what is the subject. Who goes to school? Anu goes to school. Where Anu goes? Anu goes to school. This is the predicate and this is the subject. Thank you, student.